Seneca Creek at Dawsonville. From this evening until Friday afternoon. At 5 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 6.5 feet and rising. Flood stage at 7.5 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by early this evening and crest near 9.1 feet by overnight tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by late tomorrow morning. Impact at 7.5 feet. Portions of the Seneca Creek Greenway are flooded. A small portion of Berryville Road west of Darnestown begins to flood. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 8.9 feet on July 29, 2017. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Goose Creek near Leesburg. From late tonight until Friday afternoon. At 5 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 5.9 feet and rising. Flood stage is 12.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by overnight tonight and crest near 13.4 feet by overnight tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by late tomorrow morning. Impact at 13.0 feet. Water reaches backyards near Highway 15 south of Leesburg. A low spot on State Route 650, Oatlands Road, is flooded. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 12.6 feet on September 28, 2018. Now for the official national